Welcome back to Secure 7, and this is Module 3, Part 5 of our course, Learn Website Hacking Penetration Testing from Scratch. So far in this module, we've explored how to gather DNS records, find subdomains, and fingerprint websites. But now, we're moving into one of the most common and effective recon techniques, directory enumeration, also known as directory brute forcing. Let's break it down, learn the tools, and see how hackers find those hidden admin panels and upload folders. So what exactly is directory enumeration? It's the process of trying to find hidden files and folders on a website, things that aren't linked on the homepage but still exist on the server. You might discover things like /admin, load backup, /config/, or even /dev-test.php. These paths can reveal login panels, sensitive data, or even files that shouldn't be public. Think about it. If a developer forgets to secure an internal folder or leaves an old backup online and you find that folder using directory brute forcing, boom, you've just found a real vulnerability. Many web applications hide critical functions behind non-public URLs. Directory enumeration helps you uncover forgotten admin dashboards, upload pages without authentication, files with source code, old or unmaintained tools that can be exploited. It's simple but powerful. Let's look at some tools you can use to perform directory enumeration. TAN, Dirb, a command line brute force tool that uses wordlists to find directories, pre-installed on Kali Linux. 2. Gobuster, fast and reliable, can be used for both directory and DNS brute forcing. 3. Dirsearch, Python-based tool, clean output and supports recursion. You'll also need wordlists, lists of common folder and file names. You can find them in Kali Linux, bash usrshare/wordlists/darb/, or use the famous seclists collection, bash git clone #github.com/danielmiessler/seclists.git. Let's run our first directory scan using Dirb. Example, bh.example.com. By default, it uses a basic word list and tries to find common directories. Want to use a bigger list? Bash derbexample.com/wordlist/common.txt. You'll start seeing results like +/example.com/admin.com/login/example.com/uploads. Now you've got entry points to test further. Gobuster is super fast and easy to use. Here's the basic command: bash gobuster dir-u/example.com wusr/wordlist/derbscommon.txt. You can add flags for status codes, file extensions, or threads. Bash gobuster dir-u/example.com wordlist.txt.php html-t50. This makes it much faster for larger websites. Pro tip, focus on 200 OK results. Those are valid pages you can open and explore. Once you've found hidden directories, here's what you do next. Visit them manually in a browser. Use tools like Burp Suite to intercept requests and test input. Try accessing /admin or /login with default credentials. Checks uploads for insecure file upload flaws. Download and inspect any .zip, .back, or .sql files. Directory enumeration gives you an inside view of the application and often a direct path to exploitation. Quick reminder: only perform directory brute forcing on websites you own or have permission to test. Tools like Dirb and Gobuster can flood servers with requests and trigger alarms. Use them responsibly in labs, CTF platforms, or in real-world bug bounty programs with clear rules. Let's recap. Directory enumeration helps you find hidden files and folders. Tools, Dirb, Gobuster, Dirsearch. Use good word lists like seclists. Focus on 200 responses, explore admin panels, upload folders, or backup files. Always stay ethical and follow scope rules. One hidden directory could be your gateway to full access. And that's it for this lesson on directory enumeration. In the next part, we'll explore search engine hacking, also known as Google dorking, where we find sensitive data using just Google. If you're learning something valuable in this course, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. This is Parth from Secure 7, and you're watching Learn Website Hacking Penetration Testing from Scratch. I'll see you in the next one.